Good afternoon, student. In last period, we had studied the drawing the dot and dash structures of the carbon compound and the why the carbon compounds are occur in the large in numbers or volatility property of the carbons. Today, try to understand the next point in the chapter is the hydrocarbon. You remember in hydrocarbon they having the large number of elements because you know the four property of the carbon. First property, cation property. Next property, they have a multiple bonding. Next, isomerism, and last one, the carbon form a bond with its own atom as well as the other atom also. Due to this property, which property? Carbon have a ability to form a bond with its own atom as well as other atom like nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, etc. Due to this reason, in the carbon compound, they having the different types of element. But most of carbon hydrocarbon compound contain the carbon and hydrogen as the main constituent. The carbon compound which contain the carbon and hydrogen main constituent, such compounds are called hydrocarbon compounds. These hydrocarbon compounds mainly classified into two groups. First is the saturated hydrocarbon and second is the unsaturated hydrocarbon. Try to understand the definitions of saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. You know that carbon have a ability to form a bond its own atom. Means due to cation property, the carbon form a saturated and unsaturated compound. Or second property, they have a ability to form a multiple bond. Multiple bond means they form a single bond as well as the double bond. Due to these two reasons, they are classified into two types. First, in the first molecules of hydrocarbon compound is remember methane. Methane is the smallest molecule of a hydrocarbon compound or first molecule of hydrocarbon compound. Second molecule is the ethane. You remember in case of ethane, the one carbon form a covalent bond with the other carbon. Means here two carbon atoms joined by the single covalent bond and its valency, 4 valency of carbon atom is completed by bonding with other 6 hydrogen atom. Therefore, the molecular formula of ethane is C2H6. You see here in the structure, the carbon is joined by the single covalent bond. The single covalent bond, such hydrocarbon compound is called as the saturated hydrocarbon. How to define saturated hydrocarbon? The hydrocarbon compound in which carbon atom is joined by only single covalent bond are called saturated compound. The saturated compound also called as alkane. They are also called as the alkane. The examples of saturated compound is the first is the methane, second is the ethane. This is the line structure or dash structures of the ethane. On the basis of dash structures, we can easily draw the dot structures of the carbon. How will you draw the dot structures of carbon? You know that one covalent bond contains the maximum 2 electrons. Here cross indicates the electron of carbon atom. Yellow cross denoted by the electron of carbon atom and hydrogen atom is denoted by the red dot structures. Red dot. This is the electronic structure of electron dot structure of ethane. This is the line or gas structure. This is the molecular formula of ethane. This is the electron gas structures of ethane. Second one, unsaturated compound. What is the unsaturated hydrocarbon compound? The hydrocarbon compound in which carbon-carbon atom is joined by double or triple bond. Such hydrocarbon compounds are called unsaturated hydrocarbon compound. On the basis of this bonding, this unsaturated compound is classified into two groups: alkene and alkyne. What is alkene? The hydrocarbon compound which contains the carbon-carbon double bond. Carbon-carbon atom joined by double bond are called alkene, and the hydrocarbon compound in which carbon-carbon joined by triple covalent bond are called alkyne. Examples of alkene is the ethene, CH2 double bond CH2. Molecular formula is C2H4. Is the structural formula of a ethene. Here carbon-carbon joined by the double bond. Therefore, is example of alkene. And example of alkyne, acetylene, CH triple bond CH. Here carbon-carbon atom joined by the triple bond. Therefore, it is an example of alkyne, acetylene. Molecular formula is C2H2. How to draw the electron dot structures on this line structure? Like this. One covalent bond contains a pair of electrons. This is the electronic dot structures of ethene, and acetylene contains the three covalent bond. Therefore, in between the two carbon atoms there is a three pair of electrons, and remaining one electron form a bond with one hydrogen atom. Each carbon atom form one single covalent bond with the hydrogen atom. This is the electronic dot structures of acetylene. Question may be asked in the examination: define hydrocarbon, second saturated hydrocarbon, unsaturated hydrocarbon, or alkane, alkene, alkyne. Or question you ask like this: what are hydrocarbon? How are they classified? Then write this such type of classification. Or sometimes ask question maybe like this: what is the molecular formula of ethane? Draw its line structure and dot electronic structures of ethane or ethene or acetylene. Such type of question may be asked in the examination. Thank you.